be showing you how to make a video on iMac. See, I am on iMac myself making this video, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a video, or like start a video. Okay, so first what you're going to do, if you see everything here, okay, so you're going to go down here to your launch pad. You're going to press it. One sec, my bad. So you should see a bunch of this stuff, and you're going to see other. If you see other, you're going to press it. Okay, then you're gonna see all this stuff, but the thing you're gonna press is QuickTime Player. All right. Okay, then press cancel and go up to File, and then you should see a bunch of stuff here. But the thing you want to press is new screen recording or new audio recording. I don't think you want to press new movie recording. I don't really know what it does because I've never touched it. But yeah, you can do audio recording, a screen recording, and a movie recording. Yeah, so that is how you make a video on iMac. Have a good day, guys.